Now, when the question arises what is inflammation, you will notice that sometimes your what to say your no some place where an ant has bitten you, it becomes red and swollen up. A small portion. It happens. लाल हुए फूले गए, लाल होके सूज गया है. They say no. That is only inflammation. The medical term for it is inflammation. Now, if you think that inflammation occurs only outside the body, on our skin, that is wrong. Inflammation can also occur inside the body. If you understand what is the mechanism of inflammation, then logically you will understand or you will agree that okay, it can occur inside the body also. What is inflammation is, if a large number of microorganisms enter somewhere, and if something has entered, some toxin has entered, then what our body will try to do? Our body will, suppose today through the some place of the border, okay, Bangladesh, China and Nepal and Pakistan together, from one place of the border together 50,000 army is trying to enter. What will be the order? The entire countries, most of the places and most powerful soldiers at large number will be sent at that point only. तब तो एक इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन हो जाएगा ना. बाकी जगहों से बाकी जगह भी रखेगा, लेकिन in the same way blood carries the WBCs. So the fighting cells, the immune cells, the WBCs should reach there in large number. Right or wrong? As you know, the monocytes will convert themselves into macrophages. Already neutrophils and eosinophils are macrophages. They will go. Monocytes will go and rush there. So what do you want? Don't you want your blood to rush at that point very nicely? For that reason, in our blood vessel, two things occur. Near the infection, okay, there is vasodilation. What is the term?
Vasodilation.
Vaso comes from vessel, blood vessel. Dilation matlab ढीला होके फूल जाना. Now, suppose imagine a pipe. There will be dilation when there will be contraction at a distance back of it. Then only there will be dilation here and large flow of water here. Same way, from a little distance from that vasodilated place, there will be vasoconstriction. So vasoconstriction and vasodilation will increase the blood flow and the surface area of the flow also due to vasodilation at that infected place. Due to which reason it becomes a red swollen part, which is known as erythema. Red and swollen. Erythema. Okay. ERYTHMA. Red and swollen. And it also itches little bit. Yes or no? Due to the reaction of the toxin, that is known as edema. This entire thing is known as inflammation. So if I short it out, inflammation is the fast flowing of blood at an infected place so that immune cells, WBCs or macrophages can rush there to at least engulf the bacteria, right or wrong, to at least engulf the bacteria and kill it. And hence there will be rush of blood flow, and the rush of blood flow is acquired or achieved by the process of vasodilation and vasoconstriction. And this happens, this trigger. Why this will be triggered? Why there will be vasodilation and vasoconstriction? এমনি trigger holo due to the release of histamine. Due to the release of what? Who releases histamine? Histamine is released by the basophils. So function of neutrophil we understood, function of eosinophil understood, function of basophil we understood, function of monocyte also we understood. And what is inflammation we understood. What is vasodilation, vasoconstriction, erythema, edema we understood.